the Bible recap. Have you ever had the chance to read through the Bible? I have, but it was a long time ago. Hello, Happy New Year once again, and one of my goals is to read through the entire Bible in 2026. I'm reminded of the time when someone gave me a Bible in college, and this was when I wasn't a Christian, and challenged me actually to read it and said, hey, what's the worst that can happen? At the very least, it is the most influential book that has affected Western civilization. Really glad to renew that commitment, and this year have a chance to do that. And so I'm using the Recap Bible, which is really great. It's basically a couple of chapters per day, but it's every day. And then there's like a little commentary on that as well. So very excited to grow this year through that. It's also through Saddleback Church's small group. So weekly we'll be gathering together. My own wife, Dr. Stephanie, will be leading this group too. So when we think about the Bible, it's really special because it's not just words, but it's God's word. The Bible recap.